everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I've been ordering from some produce delivery companies to see what we get. And this time I decided to try Farmbox Direct. I haven't opened the box yet, but I do want to tell you that it is Thursday. And this shipped on Monday, UPS ground. I don't know why they would be shipping produce UPS ground. I mean, sometimes that can take like 10 days or 2 weeks to get. So it seems very suspect. And I'm not sure that what's in the box is going to be fresh. Also, this cost about $10 more than Misfits Market for a box that's about half the size. I haven't weighed. I don't know how the poundage compares, but I don't have high hopes after finding out that it shipped on Monday for Thursday delivery. And when I saw the box, I was a little concerned because it's small. But we're going to open it up and have a look. If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell icon right next to it. And if you like this video, hit the like button too. And if you're not new here and you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get that out of the way. Let's keep our planet healthy, and this is about the ice packs and the packaging. Maybe it'll be packaged better than some of these other ones. And there's a wine club in here. That they're working around the clock, blah, blah, blah. So this is what came in the box. Now let's open this up. They do put a list of what's supposed to be in the box on the side, so I guess that helps when they're packaging, so hopefully they didn't mess up like some of these others have done. Everything actually feels cold. Oh, they have dry ice packs in here. And these are biodegradable. This is a Desi pack by Clariant. Huh. It's nice and cool. This is interesting. So they have regular ice packs too. And these are package and static humidification. I've never seen that before. This is what it looks like inside. So these aren't actually ice packs, but they are cool. That's interesting. We have some green beans, and these look, this one looks a little shriveled, but the rest of them look okay. Lemon. Brussels sprouts. These look good. Avocado. More of the green beans, and I'm going to combine these into one so we don't have all these different bags of things. Ooh, you know what? They stayed really cool. So I take that back. I did not think that this was going to work. Wow. I'm surprised because these are cold. They did a really good job packing this, which is something that I wish I could say about Misfits Market because I love them so much. But this is packed super well. I mean, everything is padded up. If I could change anything about Misfits Market, it would be the packaging. I mean, this is padded up. Things are wrapped. Everything's placed nicely. Really nice. They have several ice packs over here. This is a nice job. This is a packing job. Misfits, if you're watching, pack this way. Some flat leaf kale. And this is Foxy brand, so it's organic. And oh, I forgot to say, this is all organic. That was packaged really nice. See, now Misfits or Imperfect Foods would have just thrown that in the box. And this was wrapped up nicely. What a departure. Look at that, a red bell pepper nicely wrapped so it doesn't get ruined and bruised. Wow, that's really nice. 2 plum tomatoes, again, wrapped up nicely. some summer squash wrapped up nicely. Rainbow carrots, and they were snugly placed with one of these Desi packs around it. I'm really impressed with the shipping, and I'm impressed that this stuff has stayed so cool. I mean, when I get things from Misfits or Imperfect Foods, I take it out, and even though there's ice packs in there, it's warm because it's not packed well. So maybe this is worth the extra $10. Wow. Pears, again, wrapped nicely, and they're cool. They're nice and cool. Oh, they're so nice and cool. This is incredible. Have you ever seen someone get so excited about cool, well-packaged produce? You have now. Uh-oh. We have a problem. We have a rotten mango. This is very squishy. So this is not something we're going to keep. Put that aside. Pears, more pears. We have 4 pears. Yeah, these are overripe. The mangoes are overripe. So I'll send this to them. You see how overripe that is? It's not good. And this one, same thing. It's very over. See how it just doesn't snap back? Yeah, it's overripe. And cucumber, I'll show you, as I normally do, how filled up my sink is. We got our lemon, our cucumber, our Brussels sprouts. There were supposed to be 2. Kale we got, the tomatoes we got, the green beans, it says 1, but we got 2. So I guess they subbed the 2 green beans for the 2 Brussels sprouts, and I got 1 Brussels sprout. The red bell pepper and 2 yellow squashes, 4 pears, 2 avocados, 2 mangoes. The mangoes are rotten. So while I am really impressed with the packaging and the quality of most of these items looks very good and it looks fresher, even though it took 3 days to get to me, I am very impressed with the packaging, the handling, and the quality, except for the mangoes, obviously. And I will let them know that the mangoes were less than stellar. Do you think this is worth the extra? I mean, everything is so cool. I mean, this is amazing. Why can't everybody do this? If Misfits could get their packaging and keeping their products cool when they're shipping down much better, they would be perfect. But this is pretty good. What do you guys think? Is this worth $60? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you've tried another produce delivery service, what you think, and if you've tried Farmbox Direct and what you think of them. And remember, hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it so you'll get notified. And if you like this video, give me a like down below. It really helps the channel grow and helps more people find the channel. That's all for now. This is Amy. I'll see you real soon. Bye.